Welcome to online exam demo of Swami Ramanand Tirth Marathwada University. This video would help you to understand how to appear for an online exam. Please read all the instructions carefully and watch this video completely to understand how to appear for an online exam. Please note online exam format. Exam consists of objective, multiple choice, questions. Examination link and login credentials will be shared with you prior to the examination via email. Email and phone number shared by you to the university will be used for communication. You can directly enter credentials and log in to start online exam as per your respective exam schedule. Please note system requirement for online exam. Personal laptop or desktop computer or mobile phone in working condition with good quality microphone and camera. You can use either Windows PC or Mac. You can also attempt exam on smartphone, having camera, with Chrome browser. Internet connection of at least 512 kilobits per second or more will be the best. Latest Google Chrome internet browser, pre-installed. Please download and be ready. If you are a Mac user, please note following additional instructions. Download Google Chrome.dmg file. Install this application by double-clicking on it. After installation, move Google Chrome to the application folder. Instructions for web camera. Please test your webcam here. Kindly test this link in Google Chrome browser only. Light should be good enough in the room where candidate is appearing the exam. There should be sufficient light on the candidate face to make it visible to camera. Webcam quality should be good. Candidate can check with above share link in point number 1. Please note important instructions for online test. If any candidate appears for the test through mobile, any phone calls or any other notifications during the test will consider as a warning alert. No one else should be present in the surroundings other than the candidate during the test. Candidate must keep in mind that their images will be recorded by the system. Therefore, it is strictly advised that the candidate does not leave the seat during the test. Such behavior will be immediately recorded as a violation. The student may not use his or her textbook, course notes, or receive help from a proctor or any other outside source. Students must complete the exam within 60-minute time frame allotted for the exam. Students must not stop the session and then return to it. This is especially important in the online environment where the system will time out and not allow the student to re-enter the exam site. Make sure you have turned off all distractions like television, social media, and all notifications. Very important. Students should not switch screen or move out of the exam page. System may terminate your exam and you won't be able to get access to again resume exam. Minimizing browser window may terminate your exam. The system will alert you for the last 15 minutes of the exam duration. No washroom breaks and snack breaks are permitted during the exam. Before the exam, please test your computer or laptop or a smartphone, which you intend to use for taking the exam, to ensure that it is working well, processing speed is good, and the camera and microphone are working perfectly. Note, you may not be able to appear for the exam if web camera or microphone attached with your system is not functional and the access to the same is not granted. Do not use the Alt tab, mouse or any other device to shift from the test screen to any other screen, or do not try to open any other application while attempting the test. Doing so may result in discontinuation of the test and it will be considered as null and void. Candidates are requested to disable antivirus updates or Windows updates etc. before the exam because the system will treat this as an alert warning. Please note instructions in case of resuming online exam. If candidates have had to discontinue the test for whatever reason, they are requested to re-log in within stipulated time by using the same login credentials. Candidates can resume the test where they have left, as all the previous details including the exam's remaining time will be saved in the system automatically. Should you seek any assistance, please call support number. Now let's see demo of online exam system. Best of luck for your online exam.
be provided with an username and password. You need to enter that uh, username and password on the candidate login page and enter the captcha as shown on the screen, and then accept terms and of use and privacy policy of the website, and then click on login button to proceed ahead. As soon as you click on login button, you will be shown details of your exam. So here in this demo exam, there is a demo exam has been shown, start date, end date has been shown, number of questions associated with exam has been shown, plus exam duration has also been mentioned. You can click on proceed button where you will be shown name of the exam, your roll number, your name. You need to confirm that it is correct and then click on confirm button. As soon as you click on confirm button, system may ask you permission for the web camera. You need to allow permission associated with web camera. Then online examination instructions will be loaded in front of you. You can read entire instructions associated with online exam and then click on checkbox I have read and understood the instructions, and then click on button I am ready to begin to start your online exam. As soon as you click on that button, online exam will be loaded in front of you. On the right hand top corner, you can see the timer of the online exam. As time is going to get elapsed, this timer will remaining time will get decreased. As soon as time associated with online exam, that is 60 minutes, will get elapsed, your online exam would be automatically marked as complete. On the screen, you will see text associated with question along with its suitable multiple choice answer option. You need to select suitable multiple choice answer option and click on save and next button. You can also click on any of the button available for the question for the navigation. System will save your answer automatically. Irrespective of you are clicking on previous or save and next button, system will continuously save your records all the time. You can click and save and you can move to the next question using save and next button, and you can move to the previous question using previous button. There is also option available for the mark for review. If you are not sure about the answer and if you would like to review that answer at later point of time, then you can mark that question. All the attempted questions which are marked for review are also considered when you submit your online exam. Attempted questions will be shown in the green color. Not attempted questions will be shown in the gray color. Attempted and marked for review will be shown in the blue color. Not attempted and marked for review will be shown in the purple color. At any given point of time, you will be monitored by the remote proctor, and your images will be continuously recorded by the system. You are not allowed to speak with someone while attempting the online exam, and you are not allowed to refer to any books, notebooks while attempting the online exam. If it is found that you are taking help from someone, or if you are speaking with someone, or you are taking help of any external means like books or notebooks, then it will be considered as an exam malpractice. As soon as you reach to the last question of the online exam, submit test button will be shown. If you click on submit test button, then overall test summary associated with online exam would be shown. Attempted questions and not attempted questions will be shown. If you are not sure or if you are not attempted all the questions, then please do not click on yes button, but you can click on no button and try to attempt all questions in the exam within stipulated time of 60 minutes. And if you are sure that you have attempted all the questions, then only you should click on submit test and click on yes button in order to finish your exam. If you try to move away from the online exam browser, then system will also consider it as a malpractice. So while attempting the online exam, please ensure that you are not opening any other window while attempting the online exam. All the notifications should also be disabled for your laptop or mobile phone. So as soon as you click on yes button, your online exam would be marked as complete. On visiting login URL, you will be shown the candidate login page. You need to enter your username and password as communicated to you over email and SMS, and then enter the CAPTCHA and then accept terms of use and privacy policy of the website, and then click on login button to proceed ahead. As soon as you click on login button, you will be shown details of the online exam, start date, end date, expiry date of the exam, or exam duration along with the total number of questions of the exam will be shown. You can click on proceed button. On clicking proceed button, you will be shown name of the exam, roll number or your PRN number, and your name. You need to confirm it and move forward. System may ask you permission for the web camera. You need to allow permission associated with web camera. Then online examination instructions will be loaded in front of you. You can read all the instructions and click on checkbox. I have read and understood the instructions. Then you can click on button I am ready to begin in order to start your online exam. On the left hand top corner, you can see the online exam timer. As soon as exam time is going to get elapsed, the timer is going to get decreased. So after completion of 60 minutes, your online exam would be automatically marked as complete. Question text along with its multiple choice answer options will be shown. You need to select one of the suitable answer choice option, and then you can move forward with the save and next button. You can also click on previous button to move to the previous question. There is also button available for the review purpose. If you want to review particular question at later point of time, you can just mark it as review. All the questions which are attempted, whether it is marked for review or it is not marked, will be considered while calculating the result. So you can attempt as many questions as possible within the 60 minutes duration. Attempted questions will be shown in the green color. Not attempted questions will be shown in the gray color. Attempted and marked for review will be shown in the blue color. Not attempted and marked for review will be shown in the gray color. At any given point of time, system will record your images. So you need to ensure that while attempting the online exam, you are not speaking with someone or you are not taking help of any external means. And you should also not open any kind of notifications while attempting your online exam on mobile phone. You need to ensure that all the notifications like WhatsApp notification or Facebook notifications should be disabled when you start your online exam process. When you reach last question of online exam, submit test button will be shown. If you click on submit test button, then test summary will be shown, how many questions have been attempted, and not attempted question count will be shown. If you are not sure that you have not attempted all the questions, then please click on no button and try to attempt all the questions within stipulated time of 60 minutes. If you are sure that you have attempted all the questions, then you can click on yes button in order to complete your online exam. As soon as you click on it, test summary will be shown. This way you can easily attempt online exam using mobile phone.